In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Google form into your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and open the website where you want to add the form. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Google Forms. Open the form you want to embed, click Send in the top right corner, then select the Embed HTML option. Adjust the width and height if needed, then copy the embed code. Return to the Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to display the complete list. Drag the embed code element to the section of your page where you want the form to appear. Click the element, choose Edit Custom HTML and paste the Google Forms embed code you copied earlier. After pasting the code, your Google form will appear directly on the page. Preview your website to make sure the form displays correctly and is easy to use on both desktop and mobile devices. When everything looks good, save your changes and publish your website so visitors can start filling out your form. That's how to embed a Google form into your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.